Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the low mileage 2016 Cadillac SRX Luxury Collection all-wheel drive, stock number Z9801XX. Only 18,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, graphite metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. Not only low miles, but very clean. Split seat back. Folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. This luxury collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, adjustable power liftgate, power seat, along with memory settings for 2 drivers, oversized panoramic moonroof. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 18,000 miles. Advanced safety features like forward collision alert, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Leather wrapped steering wheel is also heated, great for those cold winter days. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. Dual zone automatic temperature control. And that is of course where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials and overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, liftgate and sunshade control. Under the hood, this SRX has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 308 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 13 miles to the gallon in the city. 16 miles to the gallon in the city, 23 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.